Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to discuss about the kanji writing system. Before we start today's lesson, here is a short introduction about Japanese language. Japanese language has three main writing systems: Hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana writing system is used to write Japanese origin words while katakana is used to write foreign borrowed words. Kanji is a picture-based system that originated in China and came to Japan. Let's take a clear idea of these three writing systems. In previous videos, we learned Hiragana and Katakana writing systems. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Kanji writing system. As I said, Kanji is a picture-based writing system, and according to the Joyo Kanji system, there are more than 2000 kanji characters in use in Japan. Each kanji character has its own meaning and corresponds to a word. By combining characters, more words can be created. Japan has simplified these kanji characters, and these simplified kanji characters has become the hiragana and katakana, which we learned in previous videos. Even the Japanese people don't learn all kanji characters. Learning about 1000 kanji characters allows you to read more than 90% of written Japanese materials. Now, let's take a look at some of the basic kanji characters. Kanji often contain vertical strokes that provide vertical symmetry, and then multiple similar elements on either side. Draw the vertical strokes first, followed by the symmetrical elements. Here is the kanji character for vehicle. It is read as kuruma. Watashi, I or me. Hon, book. Te, which means hand. Kasa, umbrella. In another video, let's learn more kanji characters, and in that video, let's find some words we can write and read as beginners. Well done! We finished learning hiragana and katakana alphabets, and now we know what kanji characters are and how to write them. Now we know about the basics of Japanese writing system. Good job everyone! And don't forget that learning a new language can take some time, but never give up. Remember your dreams, hard work takes you to your dreams, and never compare yourself to anyone because you are unique and your learning style is unique. Stay motivated. In next video, we are going to learn basic hiragana words. Stay tuned. Does anyone have a question? You can leave a comment if you have a question. And don't forget to let me know your ideas about Kiko's Language School. Share this YouTube channel with your classmates and friends too. Hit the bell icon to receive the latest videos and subscribe.